సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అండ్ ఫర్ మోర్ అప్డేట్స్ బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి.
Students, now we are going to discuss merits and demerits of FAT and JFET. First of all, circuit diagram of the JFET or FET. So this is the circuit diagram. Generally field effect transistor, junction field effect transistor consists three terminals, source, gate and drain. Source, gate and drain. This is also voltage between gate and source. This is the voltage between drain and source. This is the drain current. This is the battery of the drain current battery. This is the battery of the gate current battery. This is the circuit diagram. So first of all, what are the merits and demerits of this FAT? So it is less noisy. Because low sound, because this is the voltage device. This is voltage controlled device, and totally this drain current, totally this is the circuit, the source, then the power passes through this direction. So this current, total current, is depend upon input voltage between gate and source. So this device is called as voltage controlled device. So this is the voltage controlled device. So this device is less noisy, less sound. Okay. Next merit. So it has input impedance. It has input impedance. That impedance is very high, because there are two resistors. It has input impedance. That impedance is very high. So this device is also called as variable resistor. So the second point is it has input impedance, it is very high. Next merit, it has thermally stable, because it has a thermally stable, because it is independent to temperature. Because it has thermally stable. Next merit, it is simple to construct. Simple construction. The circuit is the simple construction. Compare the BJT. So this is the simple construction. Next of all, it has immune to radiation. It is immune to radiation because it has thermally stable. Okay. Next up, it is useful voltage controlled device. Already we know that voltage controlled device. It has useful to voltage controlled device because the current is dependent on input voltage. That input voltage is the between gate and source. Next, it already it is also no it can be used as a voltage variable resistor. It can be used as a voltage variable resistor because input voltage is 0, then the voltage is VDS is very small, because this device can be used as voltage variable resistor. In the condition of VGS is 0, VDS is very small, so this is the used as a voltage variable resistor. That means VVR, voltage variable resistor. Okay, next merit, it is compatible for the fabrication. It is compatible for the fabrication integrated circuits. That means it is always used in integrated circuits because it occupies less space. Compare the BJTs. It occupies less space, so it is compatible for the fabrication in integrated circuits because it occupies less space. So these are merits. What are the demerits? The main demerit is its voltage gain is very small. Voltage gain is very small. Compare the BJTs because its gain bandwidth is very small. So voltage gain is very small. These two are demerits of the FADs. Gain bandwidth is small and voltage gain small. These two are demerits. Okay, applications of JFET. Junction field effect transistors. First application is they are used in current sources. They used in current sources as switches. They used in current sources. They are used as also voltage control resistance device. Voltage control resistance device. So they are used in current sources. They are used in voltage control resistance device, and also they are used in buffer voltage amplifiers. They are used in buffer voltage amplifiers. And also they are used in analog and digital switches. And also next application, they are used in very high resistance amplifiers. Mainly applications of JFET are they are used in current sources, they are used in voltage control resistance device, they are used in buffer voltage amplifiers, they are used in analog and digital switches, they are used in very high resistance, they are used in current sources, they are used in voltage controlled resistance device, they are used in buffer voltage amplifiers, they are used in analog digital switches, they are used in very high resistance amplifiers.